Welcome to the Gemological Institute of America's GIA course, starting with information regarding what you see on the screen, the color of a diamond or gemstone, the clarity of a diamond, the cut, which is the shape of a diamond, and the carat weight, how much the diamond weighs. Those are three components that make up what the diamond is all about: the color, clarity, and cut. And those make up the exact components regarding the color, clarity, and cut. The carat weight is just a number at the end. So the main thing is color, clarity, the color, let's say D color, clarity, let's say BS2, and which we'll explain later, the cut, which is multi-shaped, comes in multiple shapes, and then the carat weight, 1 carat, 2 carat. So a mineral is a diamond. It's natural. It's a naturally occurring substance. Now, synthetic man-made diamond is called a synthetic diamond, meaning a man-made diamond. Inorganic substances is an inorganic substance, which is pearl, amber, tree resin, made by living things like clams and pearls. An inorganic substance is made by living things. Characteristics and chemical composition. Diamond is made by carbon. Carbon is actually the main component in diamonds. Usually an orderly arrangement of atoms, which you will see later on in the video. These orderly arrangement of diamond atoms make up the diamond carbon. Tip here is diamond is made 100 miles below the Earth's surface. Pencil also made by carbon and doesn't require it to be 100 miles below the Earth's surface. That you can just read out and figure out on your own. Makes sense. And isometric cubic, that means the same measurements in a cubic system. We go to the next lesson. A crystal property is a hardness, which is the resistance to scratching. Diamond is 10 on Mohs scale. The cleavage is a smooth plane, breaks along the plane of atomic weakness. Example, octahedral planes, which are 8 shapes, 8 faces. And specific gravity of a diamond is the gravity of a diamond equal to compared to a glass of water or outside the water, and then compare it together, and diamond is 3.52 specific gravity. These instruments include equipment that is used to grade a diamond. Remember, green is for blemishes, red is for inclusions, black is for extra facets and extra knots or small little things that don't need to be plotted really. You need a pencil to practice it and map it out before you put it on the actual certificate. Next to that is a polishing cloth. You have to make sure everything's clean, because if your diamond's not clean, it's not going to look like it has the clarity that you want. It's going to look more included or more inclusions. Then you have the spool, the tweezers, and the GIA loop. Prices wise, all are based on the color of the stone. Once you get to fancy colors, the clarity has nothing to do with anything. The clarity only has to do with how much important it is to you. The main thing with fancy colored stones is the color, not the clarity. And the process of treating stones, meaning that they're white and you want to, they're normally more yellowish, but people want to make them into fancy color, which you can detect is heating them to stabilize the color or annealing them. And that changes the color to a yellow color, which is really ugly yellow. And you can detect it with a machine, which gives you how red it is inside the stone. And the absorption line, which is a sesnometer, is a meter that determines the absorption line of the stone. So once the diamond is heated for color, they call it heat treatment. And this is yellow diamond heat treatment. So that means they colored it.